Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to run a full system scan using reputable antivirus and anti-malware software. Keeping your system free from viruses and malware is crucial to ensure your personal data stays secured and your computer runs smoothly. Let's dive in. The first step is to open your antivirus software. You may use Windows Defender, Malwarebytes, and so on. But for this demonstration, I'll be using Windows Security. Before running a scan, always make sure your virus defender are up to date. This ensures your antivirus can detect the latest threats. Click on update or check for updates to ensure everything is current. Next, navigate to the scan or quick scan section to ensure your entire system, including all files, folders, and drives, is thoroughly checked. The scan may take some time depending on the size of your files and the speed of your system. Be patient and avoid interrupting the scan. Once the scan is complete, review the result. If any threats are detected, follow the prompts to quarantine or remove them. Some software also provide additional recommendations to secure your system. After the scan, I recommend running an additional scan with a secondary anti-malware tool like Malwarebytes or a more comprehensive check. And that's it. Running regular full system scans is essential to protect your computer from threats. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.